Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Connecting and disconnecting your phone from a charger should be a simple, seamless task, but it isn't. We've all been there, frustrated at our cables for any number of reasons. Despite cable tips becoming smaller, they haven't evolved to become any easier to connect, until now. Presenting the future of USB cables, ASAP Connect. Featuring rare earth neodymium magnets with 18-karat gold plating, ASAP Connect will change the way you interact with your USB devices forever. We've removed the weakness of your traditional Apple Lightning connector tip, which snaps off easily by combining the tip and base into one piece. We call this the Alpha Connector. One of the engineering hurdles in designing ASAP Connect was its compact size. By condensing the technology down to the size of a fingertip, we're able to make sure that We're a team of disruptors from Sydney to LA who believe that users should be the creators of products, not large corporations seeking profit over practicality. We've created the final prototypes and delivered samples to dozens of major tech publications worldwide. Through your help, combined with the magic of Indiegogo, we hope to bring ASAP Connect to life and unleash the future.
And passports. Attach it to anything. Choose a ringtone with the Tile app. And then rest easy, knowing you can always find your things. Just ring your laptop and find it fast. If it's your phone that you're looking for, press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even when on silent. And if you lose your wallet, and it isn't where you last had it, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your wallet is found. And when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing wallet, the Tile app will notify you of its most recent location. Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Get Tile Slim today and never worry about losing your wallet again.